Hi, my name is Melissa and I am hooked on cooking. Those closest to me know how much I love gorging on good food. Well, I also love playing with all sorts of flavors. My love for cooking goes way back, like decades back. The feedback I received for my apple pies and cheesecakes and quiches was always so encouraging. But my health had a different agenda, requiring me to strictly cut out gluten from my diet. So, as 2017 came to a close, so did my glorious chapter with gluten. However, since then, I've been experimenting with all sorts of flours and condiments, and I'm actually quite happy with many of my recipes. So the thought of sharing my home cooked recipes with you guys really amps me up. And I decided to start my own YouTube cooking channel. I've called it Mel's Gluten-Free Symphony. As you can tell by the name, it will cover everything gluten-free, but what I have planned for you guys is for anyone and everyone who simply loves creating and relishing delectable food. From savory to sweet, curries to roast, and of course, cakes, cookies, and pies. Damn, this is going to be one scrumptious journey. So, while you're here, do check out my very first video, my orange blueberry cheesecake cashew brownie cake, and share what you think. Show some love and subscribe to my channel. I hope you join me as I share my most cherished recipes with you guys and just have fun. Take care, everyone.